I recently had the privilege of touring the historic Douglas Farm in Jefferson County. This is a beautiful view of its fields, and the owner was very kind in letting me have two ladder-back chairs that I found in a barn there on the property. In this video, we will restore them together. They had been in an old curing house for some time, so there was quite a bit of salt damage, and the seats were just totally rotten or missing. And we'll go through the process of getting these beauties back to their original state, and I hope you enjoy and follow along. I really enjoyed working on these chairs, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.